Losing 45 kgs was the easy part. Keeping it off, that's where the real battle begins. So if somebody tells you that once you achieve your goal weight, your battle is over, you're in for a rude awakening. I lost my 45 kgs over a span of 3 years, slowly. And when I did lose that weight, people around me were like, now you can eat, you can stop your diet, you've earned it, ab to kha le, eat your desserts. Now, this is exactly why people gain their weight back, because they see fat loss as a project, as a one time thing, not as a lifestyle skill that you need to develop. Everybody will tell you how to lose that weight, but nobody's going to teach you how to stay there and maintain that. Now, when you lose weight, your body doesn't really celebrate, it fights back. Basically, your metabolism slows down, your hunger hormone, which is ghrelin, goes up, your leptin, which is the one that tells the brain that you're full, that goes down. So your body literally thinks that you're starving, and when that happens, you're moody, you're hungry all the time, you're craving more food. So it's not that people are weak, it's just that biology is pulling them back. Now the real secret, the real secret of staying fit or keeping that weight off is not another diet, is not these detox teas, but it's building a life that you don't need an escape from. Now, here's what I did when I lost all my weight. One, I started doing strength training thrice a week and I stopped doing endless cardio. Two, I kept my protein intake high. Three, I walked a lot. As much as people underestimate the value of walking and non-exercise activity thermogenesis, it really matters. And I prioritize my sleep and my stress management. I also stopped obsessively tracking my calories and I focused on mindful eating. Everybody is asking for shortcuts. They want crash diets, they want keto diets, they want these detox teas, they want a 7-day challenge, a 14-day challenge, but nobody is asking the real question. The real question being, how do you keep off this weight or this fat for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? Remember, if these crash diets or these teas or whatever you're planning to do and these diets do not fit your real life, your results also will not be a part of your real life. So if you're someone who's lost the weight and you're scared of gaining it back, remember that you're not alone. I have lost this weight and I have maintained it for a period of more than 11 years now. And all I can say is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's about making your fat loss journey or your weight loss journey into a lifestyle that feels more you, that fits you. And that is the only way that you can sustain it. So don't fear anything and subscribe to my channel.